guys, so I'm in the Eurodouche right now. Unfortunately, she's misfiring. We're gonna see what's going on with it. Cylinder 4 is misfiring. Now at times, I know last night 3 times it was misfiring like a bitch, and the check engine light here would flash. Would try and see if I can do it myself, but because of schedule with work and school, I had no choice but to give it to a shop. Alright, so I'm at an AutoZone right now. I'm gonna pick up some fuel injector cleaner. That's what they recommended me to do. Walked out with the sea foam stuff. I heard about this in use. Not too sure how effective it is. Hopefully this fixes the problem. Alright, so I actually returned it and got this instead. A friend told me this works much better. Alright, so I just poured the fuel injector cleaner in. I put $5 gas into because I'm like about that much in. I still have, yeah, I didn't need to fill up because I was already there. I just put $5 in. But yeah, I poured the fuel injector cleaner in. Right now, no rough idle, but not making any, not concluding anything yet. So anything could go wrong. So 24 hours time, give you an update. All right, just came back from class, and the car is not idling roughly. This is a good sign. Very good sign. Very good sign. I take it back. Still having rough idles. Yeah. Alright, so I'm home, and two times we misfired. But the thing is, when I get to higher revs and you know, faster miles, the misfiring stops. So maybe the fuel injector cleaner is still taking time to clean. Alright, so we're back home, back in the room, back in the dirty old room. I'm gonna get ready for work. You know, I don't know if I'm gonna wear this because, you know, I might wear this. Just take off the sweats that I have on right now. Yeah. This was the fit. I get compliments on these shoes. I get a lot of compliments on these shoes. To be honest, I'm not even a shoe guy. They looked nice, and I bought them. Yeah, I gotta go to work at 5. It's about 3 o'clock. Got 2 hours to prepare. Gonna eat, take a shit, all that good stuff. See y'all later. All right, so currently not driving to work today. I'm afraid of the whole misfire thing, so I'm hopping my boy's car right here. Gang gang. Yo!
Bitch, and then you die. That's how we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch, and then you die. That's how we puff lie. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch, and then you die. That's how we get high.
What's going on, YouTube? It's Wednesday. I have an 8 a.m. to get to, and I'm already kind of late. So, yeah, gotta get to my 8 a.m. Let's go. Oh shit. Alright, so I just handed the car to a shop, local place actually. I like the guys that work here, so I handed it to them. They said it was a coil pack. They said 100% it was gonna be fixed. I'm running really low on funds. I hate my life right now. Right now, we're walking home. It's about a 15-minute walk to my house. Hopefully, the car will finally no longer misfire. We pulled the codes. Now, before it was just cylinder 4 misfiring. Now it's cylinder 4 and cylinder 3. And I hate the sound of that. I was really hoping it wouldn't be the case. Hold up. I'm pretty sure that's a Z31, right? That's a Z31. That's a 300ZX. 301. That's a GTI. That's pretty cool. All right, so I'm basically broke right now. I have $200 in my account. I get paid next week. And I have to pay these guys $200 too. I know I'm getting fucked right now with the prices. Things are looking pretty gloomy. All right, moment of truth. All right, no more rough idles. Check engine is still light though because, well, that's an O2 sensor. Muffler delete, you know, muffler delete problems. All right, she's good. All right, YouTube. So day 3, the misfiring is finally solved. Finally. I owe 100 to the first guy and I owe 150 to the guy. Let's go, gang.
But what's it called? Mike said to wait for him.
Oh, word?
Yeah, because he's not trying to knock who's there, bro.
What do you mean, knock? There's no one here.
What the fuck?
So how long we gonna wait?
I just sent him a text. He said he's just getting here. He said he's just going home, bro.
What's good, bro? Oh shit, what's good?
Oh,
here in the vlog.
What you doing? Oh, what's up, bro?
Wait, so how long?
I don't know, to be honest, but how bad you gotta pee?
I gotta pee really bad. I've been waiting for like... I gotta pee pretty bad. Ooh.
What are you gonna do? Workout video?
Nah, I'm just doing regular vlog.
That's cool.
That's what I'm saying, right?
That's cool as fuck. That's a nice camera.
Hey, good looks, bro.
Let me see.
Wanna see right now?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Gang.
Gang. Shit, yeah.
What's good?
Yeah, what are you doing a vlog?
A vlog, yeah. It's like
Yeah, we in our fucking gym, bro.
Fuck the population.
Pull it up with the pump. Songs that'll make you suck. Drugs always keep me up. Wake up in the morning just to pass up. Bitches, fuck the population. Bodies in my basement. Lord of the forsaken. Watching bitches fornicate.
It's good, gang.
Lucifer, Beelzebub, Satan. 666 be my language. Smoking on something that's flagrant. Shooting up something that's tainted. Raindrops cover my dreadlocks. Move 21 Savage, dead red ops. Might get my face tatted with a teardrop. Shell shock, leaving bodies on the sidewalk. 6 days to my death. On the 7th, let me be. Lower level, dwelling out the devil. Rocking FDP. Ruby said, drink the Demi. And he wants his breath to see. Pepper print all on his body. Body hanging off the street. We got a banner of a 5-star coming up the earth. We got a banner, see the local swamp buzzing in the dirt. We gonna run it at the flirt. We got a motherfucking hot tongue cut up in the thirds. We got a broken up, they want swore, taking back to church. We really fixed up her skirt.
What's up, YouTube? It is Friday morning. And I have a 2-hour class to get to. Alright, YouTube, just got back home from my 2-hour class. Had to change my clothes real quick because I'm heading to the barber because I am in desperate need of a haircut. I'm not too sure if y'all see, but my hair's pretty long, especially on the sides. On the sides, I have, yeah, as you can tell, I desperately need a haircut. Let's get it.
Like some bitches and you die. Life's a bitch and then you die. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we puff live. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we puff live. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we puff live. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we puff live. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we puff live. Cause you never know when you're gonna go.
I woke up early on my born day. I'm 20, it's a blessing. The essence of adolescence leaves my body now freshened. My physical frame is celebrated cause I made it. Recorded the life, symbolic like that created. Got rounds, 365 days, annual plus some. Load up the mic and plus one. Cuss while I puff one. My soul cause it's pain in my brain vein. Money maintained, no go against the grain, simple and plain.
Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we puff live. Cause you never know when you're gonna go. Life's a bitch and then you die. That's why we get high. Cause you never know when you're gonna go.
And I'm telling you, these guys, they get my hair done right. Alright? Always hooking up with a nice ass cut. Look at this. Look at this. They did the eyebrows, they did to go with the stash. They didn't need to do the stash. They did the stash too, man. Did the stash. Obviously did the hair. Nice. Ooh. Always good. Shout out to my boys for visual. Alright, so that's it for this week's vlog. That's all up for the week so far. I'm gonna go on my laptop, edit these videos I took, and yeah, this is the end of the vlog. Gnarly Boy checking out.